Hans, and it's time for yet another Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where you get to watch me eat something spicy, and well, that's what you do. And today, it is the third day in a row of the cavalcade of Buldak varieties. This one, we've already done the 3x spicy, the challenge Buldak. Today, we've got the tomato pasta, and this one, I've tasted this one before, and it's really good. It's got a nice tomato kind of hit to it. Kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, a spicy version of, like, almost like a canned pasta, like a canned spaghetti. So it's really good though, and it's got a nice little thing going on with it here. Take a look. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat that, but first I'm gonna need a fork and a napkin. One moment. All right, so as I said, fork, napkin. All right. Well, guys, are you gonna help out? All right. Come here, Miles. Come here, Mimi. All righty. What do you think? Can I do it?
Yes. No.
Confidence, little to no confidence in my abilities. This is my daughter Mimi. Want to say hi?
Hi.
And today is, what is today? Is it Fun Friday?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you having fun?
Yes.
All right. Well, I will need your assistance. All right. I am going to eat this plate of spicy noodles, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
That's good. Still spicy though. So one thing is, on the other two, I just basically like shoveled it down as fast as I could. Because they're challenge ones. They're definitely top 10 list possibles. This one, it's good, but it ain't that hot.
I did it.
You did it? Do it again. And leave the monitor alone. No. Kids and their technology, I tell ya.
Yay.
What's scarier is kids and my technology. The best is, she's got a pink tablet. He's got a blue tablet. Sometimes she wants the blue one really bad, and they get in a big fight. Yeah, they get in a big fight, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm hopeful.
I did it.
Good. The camera is still recording.
I did it.
You did it?
Damn it.
Oh. This is like ultra mellow. I'm actually gonna say this. And what's funny is, like, if I would have tried this like 3 days ago, I'd be like, dude, only a jerk would say that. But because I've gotten my tolerance up from the extract that they use, to me, this isn't even spicy at all. It's like barely, the first bite, yeah, I got some, but now it's like nothing. Really nothing. That being said, though, it's quite good. I mean, this is a really tasty one. Why don't you guys go over and sit on the couch? Don't you want your Hello Kitty? I'll put on Hello Kitty if you sit on the couch. Go sit on the couch. Go on. Thank you, Mimi. There's a cookie in it for you. You got a cookie too. It's Fun Friday, remember? Fun Friday involves cookies and Hello Kitty on TV for Mimi, and probably listening to a lot of music and dancing around with Miles and singing and good stuff. So we're trying to plan the what do you call it? The celebration of life for my mom, and I had to call the Washington State COVID clearinghouse or whatever to find out if it was okay to even have like a thing like that. Now this is confusing. So if I were to have people over in our front yard up at my folks' house, turn it down please. Turn it down please, too loud. Thank you. If I was going to have them, like say like I want to have a party with like 20 people that were going to distance and wear masks, that would not be okay. I could have up to 5. But seeing as it's something that falls in line with being a funeral, I can have up to 100. It's like, wait a second. If it's a public health thing, shouldn't it, regardless, be 5? I don't understand. So I don't understand. I mean, I don't think 100 people will show up. Honestly, hundreds of thousands should be showing up, but regardless, you know, it seems kind of weird. It was like, if it's outside, either a funeral or a wedding can be up to 100 people. But if it's neither of those things, and you're just getting together to have a party, no more than 5. I was trying to set the date, trying to figure that all out, coordinating with my sister. Wife and I want to get it all hammered out and solidified this weekend, do it like mid-August, because that's a pretty good guarantee of nice weather. So, yeah. Okay, now it's getting a little hotter, but still, compared to like the stuff I had yesterday and the stuff I had the day before, not even close. I mean, doing those with the 3X, I hadn't had any Buldak in like a while, and it was definitely the spiciest thing I've had this year, which is saying something because I usually do a lot of mukbang. But it's like with the 3X, I couldn't even talk to you like I'm doing now. If I was doing that and pausing that much, I couldn't have finished it. I would have just been like, "Arr!" But I tell you, it's like it causes your tolerance to go way up the more you have it. I'm guessing I could definitely handle the 3X with a straight face today, but I'm not eating that much food. Sorry. Done. Hey kids, how'd I do? Come and look, how'd I do? How'd I do?
Yeah.
Yes? I win? Alright. It's definitely, yeah, it does have a kick on it now. It's like, there's a little bit of it there. But not like the other stuff that I had the last 2 days, that's for sure. It's like spaghetti. Do you want to eat a pack of that? It's ultra spicy class. Yeah, no? Alright. Well, hey Miles, come here. Alright, well this has been Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.